Hi everybody, this is a different kind of math lesson today, but we're gonna get the hang of it, I'm sure of it. I've got some math problems to get you warmed up for math today. The answer will either be 10 or 5. You have to try to figure it out. So let's look at our first problem. Correct answer. Our second problem. And our third problem. Remember, parentheses means do this part first. Great job. There's a little bit of mental math for you. We're going to go ahead and open up our math journals to page 214. It's the first page we're going to be doing today. And this lesson can be a little bit tricky, but I'm sure that we'll be able to tackle it together. So we'll look at the first part. It says Mrs. Burns buys 4 packs of colored markers. I'm going to go ahead and underline that. And then it tells us the next information. There are 5 markers in each pack. So 5 markers in each pack. Then it says she gives some away. What clue would that be? Gives some away. And she ends up with 8 markers for herself. So in the end, she's left with 8 markers for herself. And then the question, how many, what are we working with? Markers did she give away? So down below, we see a change diagram. And these are either a change to more or a change to less. So for this one, they first organized it in this way. The start is 4 times 5. In parentheses. I wonder why they would put that in parentheses. Right, because we have 4 packs of markers, 4 groups of 5 markers in each pack. And then a change happens. It says she gives some markers away. That's the part we don't know. So we have a letter M for the unknown. And then we know that she ends up with 8 markers. So in the end, we have an 8. We're going to go ahead and try this with some other problems on the other side. Here we go. This is page 215 in your math journals. There's a few different diagrams that we can draw, and we're just going to go ahead and get started right away. Ronald bought 2 packs of crackers, 5 crackers in each pack. So 2 packs, 5 crackers in each pack. He ate some crackers. So we know he ate some crackers. Is that going to be a change to more or a change to less? Well, I want to use this same diagram that we have up here. We know that at the start, he had 2 packs and there's 5 crackers in each pack. If we solve that, we know that our answer is going to be 10. Yep. And then we know that there's a change that happens. And we know that he ate some crackers. So would that be addition or subtraction? We know that that's going to be subtraction. And let's label it as the letter C for crackers. We know in the end, so this is our start and this is our end. We know in the end that he has 7 crackers. How many crackers did he eat? So we know that in the end there's 7 crackers. So we have a letter, and the letter that we're going to use is C, and it represents what? Be very specific here. Crackers he ate. Great. So on the line, we're going to put this kind of information. What did we have first? We had 2 times 5 in parentheses. And then what happened to those crackers? Remember, he ate some crackers. So we're going to put a minus C. And then how many crackers did he end up with at the end? We know that that answer is 7. So now we have to solve this problem. We know how to solve these. We can do this. This is just like that warm-up problem that we had. So if we do this problem, we know we have to do the parentheses first. So we would say 2 times 5 equals 10. And then 10 take away what gets us to 7. And we would solve for 3 crackers. Down here, We had the number model with a letter. Now we're going to do the number model with the answer. So you're going to write the same thing down here. But instead of putting the C, we're going to put the answer in there, 3. All right. I want you to go ahead and try number 2 on your own. And then we also have a Math Boxes page, which is great for the test that's coming up. I think you'll do great on this one. We know how to organize these things. You can use a question mark here. And then over here, you can see that we're doing some, looks like we're doing some doubling. See how that works to do the multiplication. Doing some estimation. Here's your actual problem. Do your estimate in units. Does my answer make sense? Remember, is my answer close to my estimate? Right. And then what time is shown on the clock? Be careful with hour and minute hand. What time, I'm going to circle this right here, was it 30 minutes ago? So think before. And then over here, show me how to use doubling with 6 times 8. Good luck, you guys. I miss you.